guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with my new friend here on YouTube, Meliah Stewart. And we are doing a power hour today, but her channel is very similar to mine. She does DIYs, decorating, shopping, cleaning, of course. So if you like my channel, definitely check her channel out, and I know you'll love it. Everything she does is super cute. Like, look at that sign. And girl, I will pay you to make me one of them signs. But yeah, definitely check out my description box for her channel link. Show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and we will get into our power hours. Alright guys, today I am starting off with making my daughter some food. My son already had food, so they would be happy during this hour of straight cleaning because we are on a time limit today. Enjoy this little video of her stuffing her face. She's so cute. Alright, so this was the mess we were tackling today. We have my dirty living room, my dirty entryway, and my dirty kitchen. First, I was collecting the dishes in my living room, so I can do those first. I always start with the dishes. I don't know if you guys can relate. Right, like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I just wanted to hop on here and say, if you are coming from Meliah's channel, thank you so much. I hope you guys can stay, enjoy my videos, and I appreciate you coming to check it out. Has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. When I was doing this video, it was so frustrating because I do everything on my phone on my videos, so I literally kept running out of storage space, so it did cut some parts out. Like, I remember it didn't show me cleaning my coffee table, which you'll see later on, and it didn't show me taking out my trash. Like, it was so annoying. But we made it. Oh yeah, and also during this video, my son kept asking for things, so that also took some time off as well. What can you do?
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind.
Here I was going through mail because who lets their mail just sit there forever without going through it? Because I sure do.
Ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I really need to go through these toys. Like, there's just way too many down here. But my son always brings them down, so it's fine. I'll let him. It's the summertime. He can have a little fun before school starts. What mamas out there are excited for school to start? Because I know I am. No, we've had fun this summer, though. But I'm not going to lie. I'm looking forward to school starting.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on. That shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. And baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look
there was 7 minutes left, I went ahead and ran upstairs as fast as I could and tried to get a little cleaning done in my nasty bathroom. Not gonna lie, keeping it real here, guys. Alright, y'all, there was 15 seconds left. I literally, in that 15 seconds, ran as fast as I could to clean this wall. But I couldn't even set my camera up fast enough to do it, so. Alright, this is what I got done. I didn't get everything perfect. You see there was trash there that I didn't get outside yet. The dishes were drying, so they didn't get put away, and then there was drinks out, but that's just real life. Power hours are just to see what you can get done in an hour. But I think I did pretty good of what I got done. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, even if you're not new. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.